If you do need to get a bigger turkey than you would get, I have a great idea for you to be able to utilize it in 2 different meals.
We are back with my friend Ray the Butcher, the author of The Everyday Meat Guide, which I highly endorse. I am even on the back of the book endorsing it. This is such a practical, handy thing for any cook to have in their kitchen. I especially appreciate that it's got this laminate on the book. So when you are butchering or cooking anything in your kitchen, it is splatterproof, my friends. I'm kind of a wreck in the kitchen, you know. So today, Ray is here to talk turkey, but not just turkey. For lots of families, there are turkey alternatives, turkey alternatives. Not everybody loves turkey. Not everybody can get a fresh turkey, right? Take it away, Ray. I give the show to you.
Okay, this year with the turkey, people are concerned there's not going to be turkeys. There's plenty of turkeys.
There's plenty of turkey.
There's turkeys around. What you will encounter, though, through the pandemic, the gatherings have gotten smaller, lack of production, so there's going to be a lot of pressure on the very smaller birds. So that might be a little harder to come by than it usually is. And be easy with your supermarket, because we do always try to order what people want. But you get what you get. You don't always get exactly what you need, so it's hard to get the exact size.
I believe the Rolling Stones wrote a song about it once.
But now,
you can't always get what you want, right? So.
But now, if you do need to get a bigger turkey than you would get, I have a great idea for you to be able to utilize it in 2 different meals, okay? And it's very simple and easy.
I know where he's going,
okay?
And it's good.
So you take it, and especially if it's a frozen turkey, you're going to want to thaw it most of the way out so you can work with it. Or if you're fresh turkey, you're simply going to start and take the one leg off one side. Just like that. So after you take the leg off, then you're going to take the one side of the breast off, in the middle of the bone. Again, it's easier when it's fresh than it is when it's cooked. And you're just going to follow the curve so it peels right off.
That is true. I don't think a lot of people think about that, but it is much easier to carve fresh meats than cooked meats. Yeah.
Then you're going to follow this down right into the wing. Right to the wing section.
Let the boning knife
do the work. So now look at this here. Now I have the breast, the full breast,
beautiful
the leg
breast
cooked nice.
And the leg.
Now you take your other half of turkey. You can put it right in your roasting pan like you would a split chicken. Roast one side, just like that. You can now take this and refreeze it, wrap it up, and it's a whole nother meal that you can make in a roasting pan with vegetables and potatoes.